Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this video I'm going to share with you the Osmania University BCom Semester 5 subject auditing syllabus and important questions for the upcoming examination November-December 2024. First syllabus. The syllabus consists of 5 units. Unit 1 is Introduction. Unit 2 Auditor and Execution of Audit. Unit 3 Internal Control, Internal Check and Internal Audit. Unit 4 Watching. Unit 5 Verification and Valuation of Assets. Now on screen you can see Unit 1. Unit 1 is Introduction. First, short questions. Short questions carries 4 marks. The first question is what is auditing? Explain its objectives. Next is what is statutory audit? What is government audit? Define cost audit. What is interim audit? So these are the 5 short questions from Unit 1. Now Unit 1 long questions. Long questions carries 12 marks. The first question is define auditing, explain its features, importance, objectives, advantages and disadvantages. This question is very important. Second, what is auditing? Explain the differences between auditing and accountancy. This is also very important. Question number 1 and question number 2, these two questions are most important. Question number 3, explain the various types of audit and standards of audit in detail. Question number 4, state the procedure for issue of standards by AASB. Discuss the structure of the standards issued by AASB. So students, these are the 4 questions I am giving in Unit 1. From these 4 questions, question number 1 and 2 are most important, and question number 3 is also very important for your upcoming semester examination November-December 2024. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for this subject cost accounting, I already uploaded a video. So please visit there, see the video, like the video and share the video with all your friends. Now on screen you can see Unit 2. Unit 2 is Auditor and Execution of Audit. First short questions. Number 1, what are the qualification of an auditor? Second, audit planning. Third, what is an audit notebook? Fourth, auditor's lien. Fifth, audit program. Sixth, audit working paper. So 6 questions here I am sharing with you from Unit 2 short questions. Now Unit 2 long questions. First is who is an auditor? Explain appointment, qualification and disqualification of the auditor. Next question, what are the rights, duties and liabilities of an auditor? Next question, discuss the steps to be followed before commencement of an audit. Last question, what is audit program? State its advantages and disadvantages. So students, from Unit 2 I am giving in long 4 questions, and these questions are very important. First question, who is an auditor? Explain appointment, qualification and disqualification. It's very important. Second is also important, what are the right, duties and liabilities of an auditor? And question number 4, what is audit program? State its advantages and disadvantages. This is also very important. Now on screen you can see Unit 3 short questions. Unit 3, internal check, internal control and internal audit. First is internal control. Question number 2, internal check. Third, investigation. Fourth, internal audit. Fifth, audit memorandum. Sixth, test check. So Unit 3 short questions, I am giving here 6 questions. Now Unit 3 long questions. First is what is internal control? Explain its features, objectives, advantages, disadvantages and types of internal control. This question is very important. Second, explain the differences between internal control and internal check. This is also very important. And third question, what is internal audit? How does it differ from statutory audit? So students, in Unit 3 long questions I am sharing only 3 questions, and these 3 are very important for your semester examination. First is very important, second is also very important, and question number 3 is also very important. What is internal audit and how does it differ from statutory audit? So these are the important questions. Subject auditing for BCom semester 5 students. And students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for this subject cost accounting is already available. It's there on my YouTube channel. You please visit there, see the video, like the video and share the video with all your friends. And very soon I'm going to share with you the other subject important questions also. So students, stay connected with us. Now unit 4, watching. Short questions first. What is watching? Second, what is routine checking? Third, objective of watching. Fourth, what do you mean by cash watcher? So these are the 4 questions, and these 4 questions are very important short questions from unit 4. Unit 4 is watching. Most important questions you can see clearly on your screen. Subject auditing for BCom semester 5 students. Now unit 4, watching. Long questions. First is define watching. What are the points an auditor should look into when examining watches? Second, explain the cautions to be taken by an auditor while conducting an audit EDP environment. Third, define watching, explain its objectives. Fourth, what is watching of cash transaction? Explain the points needs to be verified while watching cash receipts and payments. So these are the important questions from unit 4. Question number 1 is very important, second is also important, and question number 4 is most important. 1, 2, 4, and question number 3 is also important. So in unit 4 I am giving only 4 questions in long, and these 4 questions are very important for your upcoming semester examination November December 2024. Unit 4, long questions, you can see clearly on your screen. And students, for BCom semester 1 students, all the important questions for all the subjects are available on my YouTube channel. Please inform your friends. Now unit 5, verification and valuation of assets. First is short questions. First is, what is an audit report? Features of a good audit report. Second, qualified report. Third, audit committee. Fourth, special report. Fifth, differences between valuation and watching. So 5 questions I am sharing with you in unit 5, short questions, and these 5 questions are very important. Now unit 5, long questions. First is, explain various types of audit reports. Second, state the various methods of valuation of assets. Third, what is audit report? Explain the qualities of good audit report. Fourth, what do you mean by verification and valuation of various assets and liabilities? Fifth, define audit committee. Explain its provisions and functions. So 5 questions I am sharing with you for unit 5, long questions. From these 5 questions, question number 1 is very important, various types of audit reports, and various methods of valuation of assets is also important. What is an audit report? Explain the qualities of good audit report, that is also very important. Then question number 5, define audit committee, explain the provisions and functions, this is also important. So students, these are the important questions, subject auditing for BCom semester 5 students. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Students, stay connected with us for many more updates related with your academics of Usmania University. And students, very soon I'm going to upload some more videos for other subjects for BCom semester 5 students, and for BCom semester 1 students all the important questions are available. Thanks for watching the video.